Welcome to the best picks. The best Eaz-Hitch is probably one of the most versatile and user-friendly trailer hitches on the market, designed to simplify the process of connecting and disconnecting your trailer. Whether you're a seasoned RVer, a weekend warrior hauling a boat, or a contractor moving equipment, the Eaz-Hitch aims to eliminate the common frustrations associated with traditional hitches, offering a seamless and secure connection every time. Its innovative design focuses on ease of use without compromising on safety and reliability, making it a standout choice for anyone who frequently tows. Number 5. Uriah Products Aluma Tow Hitch. Meet the Aluma Tow Hitch from Uriah Products. It's designed for your towing needs, offering strength and security. Crafted from lightweight, rust-proof aluminum alloy, it also includes two key-to-like locking hitch pins. This ensures your hitched vehicle remains secure and protected from theft. Boasting the highest towing capacity on the market at 12,000 pounds and a maximum tongue weight of 1,000 pounds, it exceeds industry standards. Experience unparalleled versatility with its simple, interchangeable ball system. The kit includes 3 ball sizes, 1.78, 2, and 2.31 inches in diameter. It offers a 6.87-inch drop or rise, adjustable in 1-inch increments. This hitch fits a standard 2-inch square receiver, ready to handle all your towing requirements. You can install up to 2 ball hitches at once. Each provided ball hitch offers its own robust towing capacity, ranging from 5,000 to 12,000 pounds. What we like. This hitch offers the highest towing capacity on the market, making it ideal for heavy-duty towing needs. Its lightweight aluminum construction ensures it won't add unnecessary weight to your setup. If you frequently tow very heavy loads and need a reliable, versatile hitch, this is the one for you. What people say. It is a very sturdy hitch and works great. The hitch is very well built and the locking mechanism is very secure. I love how easy it is to hook up and unhook my trailer with this hitch. Number 4. Rhino USA Trailer Hitch Lock Kit. Introducing the Rhino USA Trailer Hitch Lock Kit, designed for 2-inch trailers. This heavy-duty lock provides robust anti-theft protection for your RV, camper, trailer, or boat. Support a father-son business with the best USA-based customer support. Join the Rhino USA family and experience our commitment to quality and service. Our heavy-duty powder-coated finish shields against rust, corrosion, and harsh weather. This ensures long-lasting protection for your trailer hitch coupler lock. Gain confidence knowing your boat, toy hauler, or trailer is securely protected from theft. It's designed for maximum security with a durable, tamper-resistant lock. Your hitch trailer lock comes with a lifetime replacement guarantee. If you encounter any issues, we'll ensure you're 100% satisfied with a replacement or refund. What we like. This lock provides robust protection against theft and harsh weather conditions. Its reinforced solid steel construction ensures your trailer remains secure. If peace of mind and long-lasting security against theft are your top priorities, especially for valuable trailers like boats or campers, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The Eaz-Hitch is a great product that makes hooking up your trailer a breeze. It's well made and sturdy, and it holds up well under heavy use. The design is simple and effective, and it's easy to use. Number 3. Camco Eaz-Lift Elite Weight Distribution Hitch Kit. Introducing the Camco Eaz-Lift Elite Weight Distribution Hitch Kit. This essential towing accessory is designed to enhance your towing experience. It works by evenly distributing trailer weight across your vehicle's axles. This significantly improves towing stability and safety for a smoother ride. Gain control with its manually adjustable sway control system. Easily fine-tune resistance with a simple clamp, and disengage it when not needed. Get on the road faster with its ready-to-tow setup. It comes with a pre-installed hitch ball and sway control ball, along with all necessary hardware. Enjoy flexible setup with interchangeable spring bars. They can be mounted on either side of the hitch head for your convenience. This kit boasts high capacity ratings, supporting up to 1,200 pounds tongue weight and 12,000 pounds gross trailer weight. It includes everything for straightforward installation. What we like. This kit is designed to significantly improve towing stability and safety by evenly distributing trailer weight. The manually adjustable sway control allows for fine-tuning to your specific driving conditions. If you're looking for a user-friendly system that enhances control and reduces trailer sway, especially for travel trailers, this is a great option. What people say. This hitch is a game changer for towing. The Eaz-Hitch makes connecting and disconnecting my trailer incredibly easy. I love how sturdy and well-built this hitch feels. Number 2. Demco Eaz-Latch Trailer Coupler 14040-81. Introducing the Demco Eaz-Latch Trailer Coupler. Its innovative Eaz-Latch mechanism allows for quick and secure coupling in seconds, simply by lowering the trailer onto the ball. The coupler automatically locks into place without the need for pins, levers, or additional tools. This makes connecting your trailer simpler and faster than ever before. Constructed from high-strength steel with a corrosion-resistant zinc coating, this coupler is built for longevity. The tough, weatherproof composite latch handle ensures smooth operation even in harsh conditions. Engineered to work with standard 2 to 5/16 hitch balls and adjustable channel mounts, it supports trailers up to 21,000 pounds GVWR. It's ideal for a variety of heavy-duty hauls. Say goodbye to difficult hookups. It clicks firmly into place for a solid connection, allowing you to tow confidently without alignment issues. This trailer coupler complies with SAE J684 industry standards for dependable performance and safe towing. It also includes a limited lifetime warranty on the latch handle for your peace of mind. What we like. This coupler offers an incredibly effortless and quick connection process, automatically locking into place. Its robust steel construction and high capacity make it suitable for a wide range of heavy-duty trailers. If you value speed, ease of use, and a secure connection for demanding towing jobs, this is the coupler you need. What people say. The Eaz-Hitch is a great product that makes it easy to hook up your trailer. It is very well made and durable. The Eaz-Hitch is a must-have for anyone who tows a trailer. Number 1. Camco Eaz-Lift TR 3-Weight Distribution Hitch Kit. Experience superior control and a smoother, more stable towing experience. This hitch keeps your RV setup level for a confident drive. Our innovative technology provides consistent sway control that's easily adjustable. You can even turn it off for simple reversing and navigating tough conditions. Durably crafted to avoid wear and deliver reliable towing. It features a high max rating for tongue weight and gross trailer weight. Towing is more comfortable than ever with our no-noise features. Say goodbye to clunking and creaking for a quiet, confident ride. Setting up is quick and easy with adaptable brackets. They fit various trailer styles and easily maneuver around frame-mounted items. What we like. This hitch provides best-in-class, consistent sway control for a smoother and more stable towing experience. It's designed to eliminate noise, offering a quiet ride. If you prioritize a stable, comfortable, and quiet towing experience, especially for RVs and travel trailers, this advanced sway control system is highly recommended. What people say. The Eaz-Hitch is a game changer for towing. It makes connecting and disconnecting trailers incredibly easy and fast, saving a lot of time and hassle. I was impressed by the robust construction of the Eaz-Hitch. It feels very solid and well made, giving me confidence in its durability and performance under load. The unique design of the Eaz-Hitch allows for a secure and stable connection, eliminating trailer sway and providing a smoother, safer towing experience. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.